So in this Fiverr.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view your billing history here on Fiverr.com. So once Fiverr's opened up, what I want you to do is go to the top right, press on your profile picture, and then go down all the way to where it says billing and payments and select that. Once you're on this screen right here, it's actually going to default automatically to your billing history. So in my case, I've made one previous order before for a logo design. It was quite a while ago, back in 2022, but you can go ahead and check out your information here. You can see how much you paid for it, the currency, the order number. If you want to download an invoice of this as well, where it says PDF right here, go ahead and download that, and you can have a PDF copy of the order invoice. So if you're actually doing this in like a business way, or you just want to see your billing history, this is the simplest way to do it under billing and payments right here. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to edit your billing history. That's how to view your billing history here on Fiverr.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.